just quickly before the video starts. Doing the AC repairs yourself is not always, it's not the best thing to try to do yourself really. Start with, you need the minimum amount of gear like the vacuum and the manifold set kit with the gauges and everything. You also need to get the gas removed properly, and trying to do that yourself is, it's just not a good idea. I mean, if you open it up to atmosphere to try to make the repairs, you're a fucking idiot to start with. You need your head read, a good bitch slapping at least. And then, putting the gas back in, it's not worth the drama. But in saying that, you can go to an AC place and get quotes, as long as you sort of have a rough idea what needs replacing, you should be able to get it done within a reasonable price. If they say to you, well, while we're at it, we should replace this, this and this, well, go somewhere else, straight up. Saying that, you could also go there and get them to remove the gas for you, then make the repairs yourself, and then go back and get the gas put in. But other than that, this video is more about what will commonly fail, which could actually save you a bit of money if you have an idea of what it is and you can get the gas removed. So anyway, let's get into the video. My AU aircon used to be really good at it, and then it just was sitting for a little while, just stopped working, and this pipe here would freeze up but no aircon inside. So bought a new accumulator or receiver dryer, how you want to put it, not too much. Surprisingly, it's got all the O-rings and the spring locked in here as well. I think it's only one bolt basically to undo everything. Disconnect from here, and holding the receiver in, so you can see it, there's like it's like a hose clamp. It goes around it. You just got to undo that, and it should just slip out. And I've never done much with AC, but these don't have like the TX valve, but they got the little orifice type filter tube thing, which goes so just in here. You can see the little marks on here. Undo this, it goes in here. So hopefully with those two pieces, should get it going again. But if you're going to do something like this, make sure you get all the gas out. Don't just release it to atmosphere. Don't do that, please. This world's fucked enough as it is. Anyway, so we're going to get that done. See how we go. Another thing is, I've got all the O-rings and the spring locks and that if need them, but hopefully we don't need any of that, because most of it's spare. And to undo them, use these things. Doesn't cost much. It's like, it was under 20 bucks, super cheap. And they just push into where the spring is there to unlock it. It works similar to how the fuel lines you know, lock and unlock. So yeah, no, it should be good. Pretty sure it's, yeah, this bottom one here, that one. So, get that done. So here we go. And I'll show you a bit more in a minute. Alright, so definitely have to pull the air box out to get in with a screwdriver to get that clamp. Unless you go from underneath, like that. Yeah, and it is the 3/4 one, this one, to push into here to unlock so it can come off. Yeah, the new one does come with all new O-rings and lock seal. So I'll just have to have a look at those O-rings in there and maybe change those. Yeah, and then it's just the orifice tube in there. Yeah. Yeah, I was supposed to put a bit of refrigerant oil in there, but a friend of mine who does more, you know, knows more about this stuff, so we can put it in after, so that shouldn't be a problem. So we can try to get all this together. Yeah. So yeah, it should be the right O-ring. I went through all of them. The other ones are too skinny because they are a little bit deformed. They probably work, but I'll change them anyway. Should be good. Now I'll get this receiver dryer in and change the other thing. Get the new O-rings in there. Put the receiver dryer in and get that situated. Yeah. I got the new receiver dryer in, new O-rings, the brackets back in and all bolted up. Not too bad. This plastic one goes around this one here, put together. Now it's just the orifice tube, or whatever it is, and yeah, hopefully regas and it works. I'm hoping it's not any of the switches in there. Don't think so. This seemed to be the biggest problem for what it was doing anyway, so you'll find out. That's where your little orifice tube thing goes. The old one. This one's really bad. It's full of fucking shit. I'd say it was blocked, and that's why the pipe was freezing up. Why it wasn't getting cold, it just wouldn't get through. Put the new one in, get a regas, and see how it is then. Hopefully it should be good. The old aircon sorted out. Yeah, progress. So we've had it under vacuum overnight. It hasn't gone back to zero or anything, so no leaks, which is good. So everything's holding pretty well. Time to regas this bitch and hopefully have aircon again. Be bloody nice. Woohoo! Yeah, she getting colder, eh? Oh, ice cold. It's really nice, yeah. Oh wow, that is so cold. Awesome. a quick outro for this. Concerning parts, you know, make sure you get quotes that include, you know, price list of the parts and everything that they're going to change, like, because they tend to way overcharge for some of the parts. Like the receiver dryer, I got mine for $70. Like I said, yeah, there's these O-rings and everything there. I think it even has oil in it. And the orifice tube thing was $8, like just under $9. And you can get a full AC O-ring kit for about $35. So yeah, like I said, it's not really worth trying to do it yourself because of the dramas with it. You know, it's illegal to remove the gas or anything, or even fill it, I believe. You need a license. I'm just lucky to have a mate that has a license and has everything. But yeah, saying that, you could save yourself a bit of money if you're vigilant and sort of check prices and get quotes and see what they're going to charge you. You know, don't let them rip you off. You know, other than that, you can get, like I said, get them to remove the gas, make the repairs yourself, and then, you know, get a check for leaks and get it regassed. So yeah, anyway, good luck with the guys. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.